I have a Supremo. This is the name called Supremo Conquest. Let me know in the comments if you have a Supremo Conquest. You know, thing is, Supremo Conquest is a very nice high quality camera for Supremo. If you want to follow Supremo, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and you search at Supremo World. You know, there's a Supremo app. You can download Supremo app available on Google Play and App Store. You can download it for free. Available for Android and iOS. It is 4K Ultra HD, and this one is called Snap Resolution and more and more and more. And wait, this one ultra wide. That's my favorite. And this one is waterproof up to 40 meters. Oh, I think that is too deep. Once again, you know, I love this Supremo. This is the most powerful, and that look like GoPro. Thing is, it's a high quality filming vlog. I'm recording my phone. And thing is, here, sorry about that blurry. So here's what this is slow motion. Thing is, I think this is 2020. Let me know in the comments if it's 2020. Looks so like a realistic GoPro Supremo. I'm gonna do like a roundabout. I'm gonna do round it. Okay, so this is three. You have free stuff in your. Wait, it's so blurry. I'm so sorry, guys. It's blurry because you are too near to the key. Oh, come on. Okay, seriously. You can see this one. You can see this one. Okay, here's this. This is where free. If you have the free, it says you have free stuff on your box, and you have this one. This is called Supremo bag. This is Supremo kit. This is where you put your stuff here, and let me show you what's inside the box. And I'm just gonna, because I'm not sure you can see it because it's gonna be quite bad. Is this okay? Here it is, my friends. This is Supremo kit. This is where you're putting your stuff. This is where you keep your kit. If you want to travel, you will put your kit here. You have extra batteries just in case you need it if you're filming a vlog. You know, you don't have to worry if you're using recording. If you have a phone like waterproof casing, if you have a hard time, if the water keep leaking on your phone inside the waterproof casing, your phone might damage. But don't worry, if you want to buy this, you can find it, or you can search on Facebook and Instagram. If it's this available, you can find on YouTube. Go to Supremo YouTube channel. You will see that what is all about Supremo Conquest. Leave in the comments if it's available on the YouTube, because I'm not sure. Because guys, you can see because the thing is, I'm gonna show you the parts. Okay. Here's the parts. Okay, here's the shutter button here. I'm just gonna. You can connect to Wi-Fi. You have to download Supremo on your phone and tablet. But you can download on your phone, record your tablet. You know, if whatever you have a phone tablet, it will record on your phone. Like if you don't want to see using a small screen, use your phone recording you doing live stream. I'm not sure because I'm not using live stream, and and don't forget what I have is this one. This is a tripod. This is for the Supremo. You know that thing? I thought this. What if I put this one for my phone? But I think this is. Okay, this is jackpot. And this is for phones. I think this is for phones. I think I have like two tripods. I have the white thing here and and this one. And this one, the thing is, I have this. This is the thing I saw on YouTube. They use this one on GoPro. I'll show you the clip what I saw it use. Okay, so you see the guy, you see this one? You see he put this one here. This is where you, for example, you hold this one and there's a camera like Supremo, and that's what you're recording for entire videos. And you know, guys, let me know in the comments if you get this one as a SD card. The thing is, I'm not sure if you have full SD card. This is the box. The thing is, you have full a lot of equipment stuff. According to this, I'm not sure if you have a well, guys, thing is, you're so sad. I'm so sad we don't have a sticker, but it's okay. You can record it, but you have to save your memories. You can just first, if you're done your recording, plug it to your laptop, and you can edit using any editing software. You know, I use something, and you know, I like this Supremo. Let's unboxing this one, and let's just unboxing this one. Let's just unboxing this first. I'm gonna wait. This is the one we put first. Here is the one. Okay, so this is where you put your stuff here. And if you want to put your stuff here, you can put like anything for extra. And let's open this one. Wow. But the thing is, they use this one to cover here. Let's remove this thing. But I have to be very careful. This is really so difficult. You know, Supremo is better because GoPro is so powerful than Supremo because it has so many features and more. Let me know in the comments what action camera you use, GoPro or Supremo. This is the one. And you know, thank goodness, I really love this one. This is from the Philippines, and I will keep that. And let me know if I see the comment, I will reply. Let me know in the comments what is this for, because I don't know. I forgot to see. I don't remember it on YouTube. Let me know in the comments what is this for, and commenting what is this. Then I will see the reply. Then I will explain what is this. Then I will watch a YouTube tutorial how to use this one. Connect your GoPro. I'm Supremo to your phone. Okay, this is the one I use. This is for your stuff equipment. This is for kit. You know, this is for the, I don't know, let me know, because I'm confused. I have this in my first day. I got my old Supremo. I have that one, but luckily I'm so sad. You know, I lost in the water by accident because I let it go. Because I don't use my tripod. Because I do something really bad. I didn't let it go, but this time I will not let it go ever again. I have to be really mommy. Okay, let's just unboxing this later. And this one, I have this one. I think this is for the phone, and this is for the camera. Okay, whatever. Let's unboxing this. Sorry. Okay, let's. Oh wait. I'm not sure if it's gonna see me. I don't know. I might stop recording this. I run out of space. This is the best camera. You know, I'll call name Supremo. I don't know if it's because this is Supremo. Supremo is like name Supremo, or more like Supremo. I don't know. Supremo was just very nice name, but I'll leave you the link about. I'll leave you a link Supremo Supremo Google. You will see what it looks like if you search Supremo Conquest. If it's available on store, because I don't know what's in it. Okay, let's move this one because I'm so tired of looking at the camera. And my voice is getting dry. I have to move this one. And this one. I can't remove this one. I'll leave this one on because I have to protect this one on my screen. And wait, look. What is that? This is the weird. Yeah, I remember this one from YouTube. They do this one if you have GoPro. Look at this, guys. This is my favorite. I will put this on. I'm not gonna throw away. I'm just gonna be like. Thing is, don't know how to remove this one because it's sticking on the box. Let's just remove this one. Be careful. Look at this. Let me know what is this for because I'm not good at doing this because I never have this one in the first place. Let me know in the comments if you have this one because I don't have this one in the first place. I watch on YouTube. What is this for the Supremo? Okay, what's this? Okay, this is camera. Okay, I'll put this one out because I need to be very careful because I might break. Just gonna twist this. God, this is looking great. Supremo is the most excellent, nice camera. You know, Supremo and GoPro are the same, but they copy, but they just copy the same in action camera. What is this for? I think this is for the standing. This is for you put. You know, you can put in your helmet or your car. But you know, you can put this in your car. But the thing is, I don't know. I will ask someone. I don't know what is this for. I think it's. Wait, oh! Give me a second, it's stuck. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is the one. This is for you putting your Supremo because this is where you're putting this stuff in your Supremo. I'm not sure if it's blurry because you can't see. I'm gonna review the footage if it's blurry because you can understand this. Okay, this is the one I've been using this before. This is for you, but this is for putting the card. Or mount. Okay, I just asked for help. This is the mount. Okay, next. Wait, what is this? Let me know what is this for, like free package. You know, if you're posting this one, you will have a really weird things. I don't know you use this, but I'll just know that later. So I get it. Okay, we have like nice. I don't wait. This is for this is for this one. This is for you touching your shoulder here. But yeah, this is for you putting your shoulder here. Here's a menu. You have if you have a hard time, read the menu and you will know how to use it. If it's long, you don't have to worry. You just read the menu. It will really help you how to protect your kit to make sure it's safe. Okay, next. Wait, what the heck is this? Wow. Look at you guys, look at this one. I never had this one in my first place. Guys, I don't know what is this one because I really get confused because I never had this one. Because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put this one on my Instagram here. It's Adventure is out here. You don't know what it's for, but don't worry. This is where you put your sticker here, but you're not allowed to put your screen. It's not good because it might get yours. It's the same one. However, it's just for the putting your screen here. And this is for your camera lens in case you got a trouble here. One right now. I think I remember this one. If you put your helmet or car, you have to do this. Okay, this is where you putting your car or helmet here. That one on your for recording while you're filming vlog during travel. And if you want to put your camera, you put your motor and this one for the car on the front hood and the window. And the windshield, yes, windshield, yes. Yeah, you have Sony package. I don't know how much time I'll put this one out. Wow. What the heck? What's this? Wow. Guys, can you see that? Oh. Sorry. Cut the camera. Cut. Okay, so sorry guys, you can't see this. I'm gonna show you to everyone. Okay, so you can see this one, guys. The battery is just okay now because it doesn't mean because it's not big enough to fit. It says made in PRS. Let me know in the comments what is PRS. It's a country, but I don't know where is it. Is it Asia or okay, just gonna I love this because it's really super long. Wait a minute. What the heck? What is this? I don't. Oh, this is for extra. Yes, it's for the camera. This camera has. This is like making any sense. I'm sorry. I'm not making. This is so. It has so many stuff. I can't believe it. It's like I'm packing for a trip. It's like you're packing equipment for the camera. Well, just for safety reasons, just in case you're getting more worse. Well, I don't know this one because I'm quite tired. I just want to keep recording, but I'm just gonna doing this one later. This one, I don't know. This one, later. So same. Wow, look, charger. Wait, what? This is type B. But wait, note, you are not allowed to charge on your phone or tablet. If you have a phone tablet like type B, you are not allowed to charge here. I mean your phone and tablet. You only charge on here. You're not allowed to charge on phone and tablet because, you know, if you charge it here, I don't know, it might be break. We'll ban this one. And guys, I can't. Oh my god, sorry. This is crazy. This is extended filming vlog. You know this one? This is what I really need. This is where you plug in your phone. Nice, right? You know, this is a jackpot, but it's extremely nice filming vlog. I think it has no QR code. Okay, we're done unboxing. I'm getting tired. I'll record it very soon. I'll see you later. Wait, I'll turn off. Oh, look, listen to sound. See? And if you haven't heard, if you don't have a card, just skip. Look. See? Wow. Say hello to Supremo. Hey, what's up, guys?